snails. 1, 2. Once again. Okay, come back home now. We will make snails stuffed with grilled cheese. Hello, penguin. Exactly what I need. Thank you, penguin. Bye-bye. Pour salt into the sink to wash the snails. Wash all the dirt from the snails and then lift them out onto the tray. Next, remove the snail shell and cut the snail into small pieces. After slicing, put the snails into a bowl. Next step, we prepare the necessary ingredients. Cut green and red peppers into small pieces. Pour the sliced chili into the snail bowl. Add some cheese. Mix it well. Season the dish with salt and garlic powder. Mix well to absorb the spices. Once completed, we will stuff the snail into the shell. Just bake it. Wow! Good job, Piglet. Pour coal into the oven. One by one, put the snails on the grill. When the snails are cooked, spread a layer of oil on top. Done! Just take it out on a plate. Finally, we'll go make the cream sauce. Pour cream into pot. When the pot boils, add string cheese. Stir well, then add coriander. Stir well for 1 more minute and it's done. Done! Let's try a piece. Huh? Oh, wow! A green egg. A goldfish.
Okay, let's go home.
Today, we will make spicy grilled fish. First, we prepare the fish. Next, cut off all the fins around the fish. Cut the fish into 3 diagonal lines. Season the fish with salt. And black pepper. Apply evenly to the fish to absorb the seasoning. Next, we prepare the necessary ingredients. Finely chop tomatoes. Do the same with onions and green peppers. With mint leaves, chop them finely and you're done. Next step, we put garlic and ginger into the blender. Blend for 30 seconds. Pour the puree into a bowl. Now is the time to cook. Heat a pan with cooking oil. Add tomatoes, onions, green peppers, and mint leaves to the pan one at a time. Then add the ground garlic and ginger. Add ketchup, turmeric powder. Stir well until the ingredients become fragrant. Boil it for a while on low heat, then take it out. Finally, place them around the fish. Just bake it. Microwave for 30 minutes. Done. Try a piece. You dart first, friend. My turn. Oh no, let me take it back.
Huh? Wow!
An octopus. First, we will wash the octopus with water. Add salt and wash until all dirt is gone. After washing, we cut off the octopus head. Now prepare the necessary ingredients. Finely chop onions. Use Stir's hammer to crush the garlic. With chili, we cut it into small pieces. Now is the time to cook. Heat a pan with cooking oil. Add onions and garlic to the pan. Stir until fragrant. Next, add fish stock to it. When the pan boils, add the octopus. Add cola to it. Season the dish with salt, garlic powder, and fresh chili. Get it out. Oh my God, are you okay? Don't worry. Let me clean it up. pot. I will cook rice with cola. Cook for 20 minutes. Stir well until the rice is completely cooked. Then take the pot out. Done. Let's take a taste.
Delicious!